Hello everybody, this one's a bit backwards. I've actually done the intro at the end, but today is going to be getting the suspension off so it can be refurbed. I'm going to take the old stuff off the rear, put the new stuff on and go from there. Thank you. Let's get to it. And this is why they get replaced. So we've got nice crusty lowering springs, which are absolutely no bump stop left if you touch it. So I've already had these off, and that was originally down here, and it drove like shit then, so it was literally just to transport it. That's one. Another one, equally awful. Again, eroding bumps up. Nice. I'm pretty sure someone's going to want to buy them though. Right, let's get the new one set up. Okay, so we've gone from these are TA Technics Lowrams to these. I'm going to go back to stock height. So we've got those bigger wheels and it's just not working. And I want comfort over stance. So let's get them back on. So now we have brand new rear suspension. Shocks, springs, bump stops, everything you need not to break your spine. Yeah, so hopefully now this shouldn't foul on the bodywork like it was previously. Sorry, I'm a bit. So yeah, so do we tackle the front? Yeah, let's see what happens. Also, these obviously aren't the stock wheels. The stock wheels are these little bad boys. So stock is 145/80/30 baby wheels. Now originally silver. These are 175/60/14, so a bit of a difference, a lot wider. But I'm hoping to keep these on. I hate the white with a passion. I think I'm going to go get them stripped and then do them silver. Looking for OE plus is what we're looking for. So yeah, let's crack on. going to come out. Ooh. Making it light. It's lightweight. Modification. If anyone asks. Little tap a root. Get that out. Now to work it. I need a glass of water. I'm a finger. Pop. That sounds like a Stevie boot is popping on the other side. Wonderful. But that fucker, that one, is going to determine whether life is going to be shit today or not. So let's get the calipers off first. I don't know what size that is. Lucy, please. Always find the first side takes longer because you got to figure out what you need. Nice. Everything's coming up Millhouse. Oh, it's going to need a lot of cleaning. A lot of cleaning. I don't have a 30mm impact, so shut up. It's been on there a while. Right, so that one's been off before. The other side, on the other hand. It's just a motherfucker. Wiggle. Yes, motherfucker. Right, so now, oh my god, it took itself out. Why? Okay, let's go. So I got it out, but I didn't film it because it was quite sketch and I don't want to give people ideas. But anyway, that now, one side can come out now. See that? That's how low it was. I had to put an exhaust rubber in between the springs to stop myself from breaking my teeth. So yeah, let's get to it. And that is that. So yeah, that's the rubber I have to put in because it is bone shattering. So that's off. As you can see, it's all one. It's all rusty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to strip it down, take springs off, top mount. This is what the Volkswagen specific tool is for. Take all that off. I've got Widowmakers, the spring compressors, compress them, and then I will take it to go get cleaned. Let's go get the other one off now. Widowmakers by design, Widowmakers by nature. So that's what's in there. Skadoosh-ish. I'm not very confident about that one. Try and do this with one hand. Oh, get on. Yeah, and I know that's the right socket. No, it's not. This is the right socket. Hey, how you doing? Sorry you can't get through. It's me to my brain. Oh, get on, bitch. That doesn't fit very well, does it? There we go. Hey, I don't know what everyone worries about with them. Pating! Ah! Nice. So this is the spare stock wheel, and then this is what it's been running on. Okay, so the camera died, but did manage to get this side off. And I was too far into it to realise, but managed to get the hub nut off. Big crack bar. So yeah, so we're going to send them away, send the wheels away. They're loaded up, ready to go. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.